Mount up.
Did you go all the way to Endless Rage?
Negative.
Did you go for the...
Okay,
TBC?
Shaman.
Yeah, Shaman.
Yeah, kill Shaman.
Warrior.
Is that a Prow Warrior? What the fuck's going on? Shit, kill him! He's line of sight!
Hearing all of them.
Alright, Shaman's coming.
Fear wards.
Shaman's up, Shaman's up.
Mass dispel.
He's done.
Roger.
Elemental molotov.
Ali's almost dead. Ali's almost dead.
Mass dispel. Success.
I'm chain stunning the Shaman.
He bubbled, he bubbled.
Shaman's dead.
Fearing Pally.
Mass dispel.
Priest is mass spelling for some reason.
Alright, go priest.
He killed himself.
I think they're just like got out of a raid and they're just like, let's just do games to get points.
Success.
Well, that's pretty common in BC, remember?
Disarm.
I think I have to
It's a
scale.
Felguard.
I think I might have to scale off the add-on because it's like taking up my whole screen for 5 people.
Shield bash here, cleanse.
Countered.
Pally dead.
It's Glady
Forbearance
TBC.
down.
Oh, dude, the tornado! Check it out! Check it out, dude!
Run into it.
Dude, check it!
It knocked me away too.
Are we trolling this dude or what? Like, are we doing 1v1s?
I just want to get more games, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, that's tornado, dude.
They're at 0 points.